Okay, we're going up in the lower attic to the garage, from the garage, above the garage. The rails don't line up, they should line up tight like that. They shouldn't space like that. If I do it anyway, it's gonna have any sense. And up here we got a flue. See that daylight up there? Okay, we got a problem. As water can leak through that. If the daylight can get through that, water can get through that. Let's see what we got. Alright, see the way the ladder was installed here? Those are sheetrock screws. Supposed to be lag bolts. There's tape on that flue. This kick out, this looks like it's the flue for the kitchen vent fan, which we haven't worked with yet. So we can get some light on the subject. Be nice if we saw some light. Any switches around here? There's light bulbs. Got. Well, that stuff doesn't feel very good. Alright, loose fill rock wool. Do not turn off. Okay, we won't do that. We still want a light switch. We got one. Pull switch, that's a little too, still don't have it. What's going on here? Cowboy hat over there. Looks like somebody's been controlling odors. More light switches, extension cords used in permanent applications. It's never a good thing. Just not sure what's going on here. We got mouse traps, mouse dookie, rust in the safety pan, shallow trap. I would say not insulated, but somebody tried. Duct is sagging. R22 evaporator coil, can't read the model number. Can't read the serial number. Tape on flue, shouldn't have tape on the flue. Improperly suspended. Insulation duct should not lay on the attic floor like that and sagging. Do not have a sediment trap for the furnace. Do not have a care and use manual for the furnace. Oh, there's a care and use manual right there. Okay, got that. Stiffeners, that's pretty good for 1980s. More mouse dookie. More mouse dookie. Framing looks pretty decent, if I do say so myself.